Hello and welcome back to the Principles of Programming series. In this video we'll be doing a chapter 10 lab in C++, actually the last one. Before we do, go ahead and smash that like button, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel if you have not already done so. Please log in. If you have not yet created a login, it takes less than a minute and it is free. So in this video, as we mentioned before, our last C++ program in this series, it's going to be lab 10-2, using inheritance to create derived classes in C++. And looking at our task, we're going to be tasked with, in this lab, you create a derived class from a base class and then use the derived class in a C++ program. The program should create two motorcycle objects and then set the motorcycle speed, acceleration, the motorcycle object, and check its sidecar status. Use the vehicle and automobile classes that you worked with earlier in this chapter as a guide. Open the file named motorcycle CPP. Create the motorcycle class by deriving it from the vehicle class using public derivation. So task 1, create the motorcycle class by deriving it from the vehicle class using public derivation. In the motorcycle class, create a private attribute named sidecar. The sidecar attribute should be data type bool for bowling. Then task 2, write a public set and get methods for the sidecar attribute. Task 3, write a public accelerate method. This method overrides the acceleration method inherited from the vehicle class. Change the method in the accelerated method so the following is displayed when the motorcycle tries to accelerate beyond its maximum speed. The motorcycle cannot go that fast. All right? And in the motorcycle class program, create two motorcycle objects named motorcycle 1 and motorcycle 2. Set the sidecar value of the motorcycle 1 to the true and the sidecar value of motorcycle 2 to false. Set the motorcycle 1's maximum speed to 90 and motorcycle 2's maximum speed to 85. Set motorcycle 1's current speed to 65 and motorcycle 2's current speed to 60. Accelerate motorcycle 1 by 30 miles per hour and accelerate motorcycle 2 by 20 miles per hour. Print the current speed of motorcycle 1 and motorcycle 2. Alright, so let's go over to page 2. We'll look at that as well. And task 4, determine if the motorcycles 1 and motorcycle 2 have sidecars. If yes, display the following. This motorcycle has a sidecar. If not, display the following. This motorcycle does not have a sidecar. Alright, so an example of the program is shown below. The motorcycle cannot go that fast. The current speed of the motorcycle is 65. The current speed of the motorcycle 2 is 80. And this motorcycle has a sidecar. The motorcycle does not have a sidecar. So that's what we're looking to print out. So we'll go to our first code here and see what we're starting with right after this. Alright, so write the motorcycle class here. We'll do that whole thing. Make sure you write motorcycle CPP. And make sure you got the right one open. So we'll start with, let's see, class CPP. Let's go class. Class motorcycle space colon public vehicle. All right, come on down and we'll do our bracket, open bracket, enter, and public colon, tab that, let's do void acceleration, accelerate, and that's going to be a double. Then void set sidecar, Boolean, colon, bool, get sidecar. reserved for the public. Alright, so let's go down to private. Two words there. So we'll leave that there. Make that one word. Right. And that's that. And let's go ahead and put our semicolon after that. Next, I'll go to the void motorcycle. Colons to accelerate and do a miles per hour, which is going to be a double as they requested, and bracket. Okay, here let's go on to our if get speed plus miles per hour. MPH is greater than get max speed. Motorcycle cannot go that fast. Alright. That's what it said. Yep. And let's go chunk and line semicolon. That one looks like it's good to go, so let's go to our next one. Accelerate. Spelling wrong. Accelerate. Right, there we go. We'll come back and check the spelling. That's where we get this one done. Let's go down to 23. Let's do void. Motorcycle set car. Set sidecar. And we'll do EOL status. Next, and then from there, let's do our brackets, and we'll simply go sidecar equal status, and we'll leave it one word. Okay, sidecar equal status. Now that we've got that one, let's go try the, let's go do the last part rule for this one. Motorcycle. Double semicolons and get sidecar. And let's return set and get good. Let's do these brackets and return sidecar. So we'll take a look at this closer. Spelling. So online 14. Reinitialize. Change it back to sidecar. It was side care. That. Anything else? So with that correction, it looks like the first part is complete and looks good. So we'll move on to our next task right after this. So task 1 we've done. Task 2, got that done. Attribute sidecar. So here we go. We go on to the next one. So we can open this back up. Go with the motorcycle class. On over for the motorcycle class. All right. Got a lot going on here, but we're going to get right to it. Let's go right to line 8. Start checking away. So, create motorcycle objects here. So that would be motorcycle. Motorcycle 1. And we'll spell it out this time. And motorcycle. Motorcycle 2. Create a Boolean variable for sidecar status. Here. L. Sidecar status. Next, looking to set sidecar status here. Set both of them, and remember 1 is going to be true and 2 is going to be false. Okay, motorcycle. Motorcycle 1. Set sidecar. Truth, holding. There. Motorcycle 2. Set. Sidecar. False. Set current speed. First one is going to be, I'm going to copy and paste these together. Motorcycle 1. I'll do 2. Okay. Set max speed. Set max speed 85.0. Just following the instructions on the these. I'm gonna copy and paste the rest of these. 1, 2, set. Okay, that's the set. All right. So first we set max speed, then we're gonna just set the speed. And first set speed for 1 is gonna be 65. Oops. Then for set speed for motorcycle 2, it's going to be 60. Then accelerate. Accelerate is going to be 30 more. Accelerate is going to be 20. Accelerate. Motorcycle speed. Display current speed. So we're going to. So let's go ahead and cancel out. Yeah, we're going to do just once. Copy and paste. I'm going to do the current speed. Motorcycle 1 is, since we're adding it up, so motorcycle 1 dot get speed motorcycle 2 the same way. You might as well copy and paste. Control V. And let's change this to motorcycle 2. And motorcycle 2. Good speed, good speed. So, it looks good so far. So now for the work, we'll go let's work on the sidecar status, determine sidecar status and display the results. So let's go sidecar status. Status. And equals motorcycle 1. 1. And let's get sidecar. This motorcycle does not have a sidecar. Right, so that's that motorcycle 1. So we're going to do motorcycle 2. Basically, we'll type it up. So we're still inside the bracket here. Let me look at this again. So we don't need this bracket. Don't need this bracket. That's why if we don't need this one. Now it makes sense. There's some more room to work. So we got that out of the way. Let's go down here. Let's go sidecar status. Motorcycle 2. Get sidecar. Go. Now we do another if. I can copy this real quick. Change what needs to be changed. Anything. So sidecar, put that right there. And I basically copied the same text. Let's check it out. So sidecar status equals motorcycle to get sidecar. Then if sidecar status counts out this motorcycle has a sidecar and mine, else this motorcycle status. This motorcycle does not have a sidecar and mine, and return 0. So we got that one is complete. So let's go on to our next one, but right after this. Alright, so let's go back to here and find vehicle. Click on that. I'm going to cover these up. And we'll take a close look at the vehicle. It's not asking us to do much here. I don't remember if it asks us to do anything at all. But we'll look at it real quick just to make sure. Yep, like it said in there, so let's get to it. So here, void set speed, double. Let's add speed. And current speed equals speed. Just go add that in there. So these are, so this is going to be a little confusing. Class, public, it's outside the bracket. So we'll do it. Put our bracket here. Speed. Let's go down one. And the current speed. Speed equals speed. Go. Come here. And let's go ahead and close this bracket out under void. Now double get speed. Bracket. Return. So room to work. Let's go return. Current speed. C color. Alright. Of course we gotta get some more room here. Close this one out. That fault should be in a second. And let's get some more space into this bracket. Next, void accelerate double and add our MPH. And another bracket. I'll check those brackets. We get to the bottom of it. Right. So let's go down to accelerate double miles per hour. Let's look at, got that. So we need our current speed. Let's go. If. So for accelerated double miles per hour. So let's do an if right here. Current speed. Plus miles per hour is less than max speed. There, and another bracket. I have to go here. Open. Close it yet. Still got work to do. Current speed. Current speed plus equals miles per hour, semicolon. Then I think we'll have to put this if, then let's close that bracket. Look at what else right there. Open bracket. Close that. Don't have time. Just can't get you lost. Alright, so they're on the current speed. Let's go cancel out. This vehicle cannot go that fast. We'll use a comma this time. Repeat and inline. Okay, so next we gotta go close out this bracket this way. Going away yet. I'm gonna find out what it is. Something I know. Alright. So we got 19, let's go 20. Let's go another bracket on 20. That's what's causing that fault, I believe. Still not clear. Clear. Space, we already got it. So let's void set fuel capacity double. Let's call this fuel. And we don't need this. No. We do need this. And we gotta do. Fuel. Let's get some room to work. Void. Let's go with return. Now let's do fuel capacity. Fuel capacity. Capacity equals fuel. Set fuel capacity, that sets it. Now let's do our bracket close. Space. Now double get fuel capacity. Boom, boom, almost. Let's change that to that. Now return fuel capacity. Looks like we got return fuel capacity. Let's jump from there. And we go to void, max, set max speed, double, call that max. And once again, take out that, bracket that, boom. And you've guessed it, return, nope, max speed equals max. So we got that initiated. And that out. So let's go to skip a space there. Double get max speed, or it's double set max speed. Sorry, they're both. Double, let's add double set max speed first. Double max speed, double get max speed. Don't need this here again. Do that. Need that. Take that out. And return equals max. So private is good, double fuel capacity, double max speed, double current speed. All that looks good. And then our semicolon at the end. Okay. Nothing more to see here. Let's take another look at our code because I feel like I skipped something. I left something out. Pretty sure I did. I'll wonder if I find anything, I'll come back and show it. I think I found out what I did wrong at the beginning. Gotta get rid of these semicolons that are preceding these brackets. Just those that are preceding brackets. I did. It looks like I caused more. So this is equal. Alright, I'll look, see what else I can find right after this. Alright, I found another one. Return max speed. This is speed return max. Actually, double get max speed. Return max speed. That's what it is. Okay, let's see if we got anything else to clear up. Well, we got a lot to clean up here. Return max speed, get double get max speed. Alright, I'll continue to look and I'll point them out. The one on line 27, return fuel capacity not set. So we got that. Return fuel capacity. Got it. Alright, and then let's see if anything else we can find. Let's get this down here, 36. Close up this bracket. I think I was just missing the bracket. There it was, just missing the bracket. 36, and let's give it just one more. Alright, so it looks like we're clear on that. And let's go ahead and run this bad boy and see if we're golden. We'll check some. I got those already. That's what we're looking for, right? As file directory, and like I did the other one, if it doesn't run, I'll go ahead and calculate it just in case. So it calculates out to 100 and doesn't run. That's good to go. But I'll show you these code again. Hopefully you got it close. So that was a long one, but it's the last C++ program. So let that calculate, and let's see. Just like wow. So I'll go through one more time for all three of them so you can see it and pause it in case you missed something. If it goes through for 85.7, let's see what we missed. We might be able to determine what we missed just by that. So 5.7 test 4 was good. Let's go test 3, test 2. Where's test 3? Test 1 is good. So we got all. Sure. Test 1. Okay. This is a pain. Test 3. Test 4. There it is. Notice I cannot go that fast. So let's see what we did wrong here. Okay. Failed motorcycle speed. Motorcycle 25. Failed tests. Let's look at that. Accelerate in motorcycle class. So, what was our accelerate? Look at that right. There it is right here. See this thing? So, where'd you go? Where'd you go? Where'd you go? Trying to see the motorcycle speeds to accelerate it to. Alright, let's find it. I'll find it and come back to you. Checking out the motorcycle class program. Going over that, making sure everything is good. So I did move some stuff. I didn't do anything yet, but motorcycle 1. So the acceleration speed is what I'm looking at. What I'm looking for. Set sidecar status here. And sidecar status. Motorcycle 1 sidecar. Huh. Okay, let's move these up. It shouldn't matter about the comments, but it will matter if I left them out. So motorcycle, set maximum speed here. I did this. Set max speed. Okay. And then set current speed. Motorcycle set speed. Alright, now accelerate motorcycles here. This is where it's in the display. So let's check that out real close. Motorcycle acceleration. Motorcycle 1 accelerate 30. Motorcycle 2 accelerate 20. That's correct. Current speed of motorcycle 1 is motorcycle 1 get speed. Motorcycle 1 get speed. 2 dot get speed, and then the sidecar status. Sidecar status equals motorcycle 1 get sidecar. I'll look at this and come back. If I find it, I'll let you. Alright, I didn't see anything that was out of whack, so what we'll go with, I read and calculated one more time. Actually, select 2. I did get an error here. Find my mouse. Might be this. Select 2 error. No, that's too big. So we'll go with that for now. If I find it out, for you get to this one. For now, if you get 85.71, you'll get full credit for it. And I'll fix that for you. Meanwhile, let's go back to look at the motorcycle. And look at this one. So just close that. So you can look at the code one more time if you're still working on it. I'll tell you to pause when we get there. So if you want to still need time for that part, just pause it real quick. All right, moving on to the next one. There. So if you need that longer, you can pause it. If not, we'll go to the motorcycle class program. And go to the top, put a big boy. Right here we started at line 8. Same thing. Alright, if you need it longer, go ahead and pause it there. Come on down, show the rest. I think that's all we need. Alright, and same thing, if you need to look at that longer, just pause it, and we'll come on over and show you the vehicles. Alright, from the top. So if you see anything wrong, drop it in the comments. And like I said, if I redo it, I'll leave a comment or something on the video to tell you what I found. Alright, so let's pause it there if you need more time with that. And then there we have it. Alright, so thanks for joining. Thanks for watching. That's all of the C++ programming in this series, in the Principles of Programming series. So thanks for staying tuned and watching those. And I'll see you on the next one. All right, take care and have a wonderful day. Thanks again.